Welcome to Condense. In this video, we'll walk you through how to view and configure integrations using connectors. First, go to the Condense app and navigate to the Connectors section available in the side menu. Here you'll see a clear list of all available connectors and integrations, helping you streamline your workflows by connecting various services effortlessly. There are different types of stream connectors and store connectors for input and output operations, along with transforms available in this section. You'll then be guided through a straightforward setup process, where you'll have to add additional configurations before you can deploy the connector. Post-deployment, the connector can be viewed and edited on the Pipelines page. You can also easily browse or quickly find a specific connector by using the handy search bar at the top. Just enter the connector's name to find it instantly. If there's a connector that's available with the searched keyword, the search will filter from a list of all the available connectors and show the exact available connector. In case there isn't a match, the search will result empty.